incorporate is suitable for one or more people forming a company with limited liability to the owners. Ibig sabihin, a corporation is a separate entity from its owner with continued existence even after the death of its owner. Ownership can be transferred. Ibig sabihin, yung pagka mayroong problema, magkakaroon ng mga case, no? Legal cases, being an incorporate is advantage po kasi it's a separate, entity. Sabihin, kung may mga pag-aari ka na nasa sayo, kung idemanda ka ng yung clients is separate po. Iba po yung ang hahabulin po nila is yung pong corporate po na business nyo, hindi po kayo personal na haharap dun sa kaso na yon or sa legal cases. So, another thing is, of course, na importante is yung business insurance. Importante po yan.